Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I have another You Can Make It kit for you guys. I'm really excited about the response I have had to these. You guys have been so kind in sending me messages and letting me know that these are helpful for you guys. So I'm going to continue to do that. One thing that I will be doing going forward in September is I will have a list of all of the You Can Make It kits that I am going to have out through the end of the year. So the holiday catalog is going live next month, and I will be featuring 2 You Can Make It kits every single month. So there will be one that will start at the beginning of the month and run for 2 weeks, and then in the middle of the month there'll be another one and it'll run till the end of the month. So what I'm going to do is provide you guys with a list of products that I will be using. That way when you're placing your orders, if you want to wait to get some of, a product that I'm using maybe in October or November, you'll know that there is a kit coming up with that product. So hopefully that helps you guys. So thank you so much for everybody who's messaged me, left comments, just letting me know what is helpful for you guys, because that's the whole point, right? So this week, I'm featuring this product. This is the Pop of Petals stamp set, and it comes with, when you get the bundle, you can get the punch that matches. And I've used this for a couple of things, and I love it. It's one of the very first products I got out of the annual catalog, but I thought it would be really fun to make a set of cards. So this You Can Make It kit is going to feature this stamp set and this punch, and we are going to make 3 cards. So your card kit will include 3 cards to make. So this is really fun because I'm going to offer you guys a really special add-on or extra this month for this one. So what you will do is the product that you will receive will be the stamp set, the punch. You will receive a brand new pack of dimensionals and a brand new pack of these glimmer dots, the glitter enamel dots. And this is all because you're going to be using this to create the cards that we're going to do for this kit. So the total for this You Can Make It kit is going to be $58.50. You get all of this product, okay? And then you get 3 kits to make these cards. Now, the cards are going to come with all of the supplies to create the cards. They will come with envelopes, but you're probably wondering, what are those sentiments on these cards? So there's this one. This one has a very fun inlay kind of technique. This one is all popped up and it's really pretty. And look at these sentiments, you guys. So you're probably wondering, well, how am I going to have those sentiments if the stamp set, the sentiments are not on this stamp set? So this time, you guys, what I'm going to do, I have these really fun stamp sets from Reverse Confetti, and they are really great sentiments. I really love them. I did some creating with these over the weekend and was just really enjoying all of the sentiments for these. So what you will get is already stamped sentiments. So I can't do that with Stampin' Up! Product because it's against Stampin' Up! Policy for me to stamp anything. It's a copyright issue. But as a gift, I can do this with other stamp sets that I have. So what I'm going to do is stamp, when you get your kit, all of your sentiments will already be stamped. And then if you want to use them, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. You can, use, I'll provide the measurements for you. So if you want to cut something different, you'll be able to do that. But you will get all of the sentiments for these cards. So the You Can Make It kit is going to be $58.50. It's going to include the stamp set, the punch, a set of glimmer dots, because we're going to use those on this project, and then a set of dimensionals because there's lots of items on these cards that are popped up. So your kit will include all of the product to make these 3 cards. You will get envelopes. There is an exclusive video that will show you how to put these together. And then as a really special gift, your sentiments will already be stamped for you with these beautiful sentiments that I love. So it's not something that I'm planning on doing all of the time for every kit. But for this one, I thought it would be really special and it would be really fun to just provide you guys a little gift to say thank you so much for supporting this brand new thing that I'm doing with these You Can Make It kits. So in order to order, you're going to just order from the link below. In the YouTube description, there's a link that will take you that you can purchase it, you pre-order it. I purchase all of the product for you. I cut all the kits and it all comes to you together so you can make the kits. We can make them together. If you're on my website, down below, there is a link that you can click on. And then if you're getting this in email form, you can do the same. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you're excited about these kits. I'm really excited about this You Can Make It kit. This will be the last one for August, and then we will have all new ones with the holiday catalog product in September. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will catch you guys next week with new projects. Much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.